Hello viewers, I remain Beatrice Christopher from Statistics Scribe. God's willing, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain measure as a variable attribute in IBM SPSS statistics. It should interest you to know that in elementary statistics course that we have 4 levels of measurement, namely nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio, right? But in IBM SPSS statistics, we have 3 levels of measurement, namely scale, ordinal, and nominal. The scale level of measurement here comprises of both the interval and ratio combined together. Okay, so don't be confused about that. I'll advise you to go back to elementary statistics course should you have difficulty understanding the levels of measurement. Okay, so I'd also like you to know that the measure here is automatically chosen by IBM SPSS statistics depending on the type that you select for variable. String types are automatically assigned a nominal measure, while numerical types are assigned scale. What I'm saying is, if you have numeric here, as you can see, all this numeric here, scale, comma is also a numeric variable, scale, dots a numeric scale, scientific notation numeric, date numeric, dollar numeric. All the numerics are having scales level of measurement, while the string is having what? Nominal. So by default, IBM SPSS statistics automatically selects that, okay, as long as you've selected your variable type. Okay, briefly, for the sake of these tutorials, nominal means the data is either categorical or ordinal. Categorical data implies data such as male or female whose relationship is not ordered, okay, and is in categories, while ordinal data means ordered or ranked data, e.g. low, middle, high, income. Okay, but where the distance between two adjacent values cannot be measured, scale stands for data that are either in the interval scale or the ratio scale. That is all numerical data where the distance between two adjacent numbers are always the same. For example, age, pulse rate, and temperature. Okay, so just kindly study more on that. You'd understand that because there are differences amongst all of them, especially when it has to do with temperature in terms of interval and ratio scale. Because in interval scale, we have equal differences, e.g. the Fahrenheit scale of temperature, where the difference between maybe say 15 degrees and 20 degrees is the same as the difference between 50 degrees and 55 degrees. So each degree is an interval, as you can see. And a temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit doesn't mean complete absence of heat. It's just an arbitrary point on the Fahrenheit scale. The same applies to Celsius scale. Unlike in ratio scale, where it provides a meaningful 0 point. For example, on Kelvin scale of temperature, 0 degree means absolute zero, where all molecular motion, which is the basis of heat, stops. So for some of us that have forgotten elementary statistics course, I advise you go back to it and study the levels of measurement. Okay, so it will interest you also to know that the string variable here does not contain scale because you cannot conduct or perform any meaningful calculation with string variable. So let's assume I want to change this to scale. It's not possible because you only have nominal and ordinal levels of measurement for string variable, unlike other numerics that you have all the three. Okay, so take note of this whenever you're performing your statistical analysis. I hope you find this video meaningful and useful. If you like it, kindly like, share, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.